Yep, it's looking like it started. All right, we're gonna get started, and we're gonna make. Oh, hold on a second. I'm gonna get started in just a second. Okay.
You forgot the microphone.
Mm-hmm. All right, is it connected yet? All right, is it connected yet? I think I'm connected.
It is showing microphone.
Very good. So, I'm gonna put this on the inside. Put this, bam. All right, how about that? Now you can hear me, can't you? You can hear me really good. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna get started on making this yogurt. Now the yogurt that I like to make for my patients who may or may not be metabolically challenged has a bunch of the microbacteria that are important for primarily insulin resistance and weight loss, okay? So we've chosen some special types of bacteria for that. This has been inspired by Dr. Bill Davis in his book called Super Gut, and it's over there. And that Super Gut book tells you the formulas. Now he is talking in general. I'm going to be talking primarily for you, primarily because the type of bacteria that I want to use handle two things. Number one, it makes your mood better. So you get out of that depression, you get out of that fatigue, you kind of lose some of that stuff and you become excited about life. What do I want to do tomorrow? Or what do I want to do in the last decade of my life? So you get excited about life in general, number one. But number two, but most importantly, is that I've looked up certain bacteria and certain strains of the bacteria that will actually increase a particular hormone that I'm very fond of, and that is GLP-1, glucagon-like polypeptide 1. And what I want to do is show you how to jumpstart your metabolism so that you can continue to stimulate your GLP-1 release. The first thing you got to do is you got to have a healthy microbiome. And to be honest with you, most of our microbiome is unhealthy. Enough said. So let's get right into it. These are some of the core things that I have. Some of the things that I have is basically, this is a Sutek yogurt making machine. I think you can get it on Amazon for around about $39, $49 or something like that. Look it up, check me out. All right, I'll show you how to turn that on right now. It's kind of warming up. Then we're gonna start with a mixture, a blend of the Lactobacillus reuteri, and you're going to need three products. The bacteria, this is the Lactobacillus reuteri. I'll show you a close-up view of it in a moment. And then that bacteria, once you open it up and get it into your mixture, you got to give it some food. We give it the inulin, which is the soluble fiber. Then we mix that up and we mix it in with half and half. But again, because of popular demand, I've made a special concoction because just mixing this up with half and half gives it a pretty tart taste. To me, it was pretty tasty. But all my staff and everybody I tried it on, they said, ooh, this is a little too